ready to supercharge your TikTok shop sales and reclaim your time. AutoDS is here to revolutionize your e-commerce game on this explosive platform. This tutorial will guide you step by step through using AutoDS to effortlessly manage your product listings and automate order fulfillment on TikTok Shop, optimizing your selling strategy for maximum success. First, you'll need to connect your TikTok Shop to your AutoDS account. Navigate to the Integrations section and select TikTok Shop. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This seamless integration is the foundation for all your automation. Once connected, importing your products is a breeze. AutoDS allows you to import existing listings directly from popular e-commerce platforms or add new products from supported suppliers. You can then easily edit titles, descriptions, and pricing to perfectly match your TikTok audience. Now, let's talk about order fulfillment. AutoDS automates this entire process when a new order comes in on your TikTok shop. AutoDS will automatically process it with your chosen supplier, handle the shipping information, and update the tracking details back to your TikTok shop. No more manual data entry. Imagine spending less time on tedious tasks and more time creating engaging TikTok content or strategizing your next big promotion. AutoDS handles the backend, so you can focus on what truly drives sales. A circumflex euros, connecting with your customers and building your brand. By leveraging AutoDS for your TikTok shop, you're not just managing listings. You're building a streamlined, efficient e-commerce empire. This automation empowers you to scale your business, reach a wider audience, and ultimately, achieve greater profitability on this dynamic social marketplace. Start optimizing your TikTok selling strategy today with AutoDS.